This is Green Palm Estate, located at Eneka Igbo Etche Link Road. This property shares proximity with the Eneka Ring Road, but Harcourt Expressway, NLNG Staff CooperativeHousing Estate, Pamo Teaching Hospital, and Graceland School Igbo Etche. Green Palm Estate is fully fenced and has a security gatehouse. It sits on 100% dry table land and a neighborhood center. Upon completion, the estate would have the existing features: good road network, solar street light, and electricity. Each plot here measures at 465 square meters. It is selling for 12 million naira, but on promo for 8.5 million naira, a flexible payment plan that grants you the opportunity to deposit 4 million naira and spread the balance across 12 months. For further inquiries, call the number showing on your screen.